Hello guys, this is SCubing, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to solve piraminx by a very simple method, this beginner's method, and I believe that you will like it. So let's scramble. So the cube is scrambled, and first step what we make is that we search for a corner that does not have yellow. So we search it, this has yellow, this also has yellow, but this doesn't. So we put this corner into opposite to our back and make the yellow centers, this color center, yellow 3 centers here on this opposite side. So we'll turn the sides, head and left side, and we made it. So the second step is to orient corners, and this is easy, just turn it. And after that we put the yellow at bottom and we search for the edges that has yellow. This has yellow, so put it on the same color, blue, and when it aligns with blue we do the algorithm. When it's on the right, L prime U L, so the edge inserted. Now we're searching for another edge, and here is it, it has yellow, it is again right, so we do the same algorithm, and another edge, it is again right, but we'll have cases where it will be on left, and for that case we'll do the algorithm R Q prime R prime. So when we done the yellow and the first layer, we turn the corner and we aligned, so then we align these centers and corners to the same color. To do that we turn the head, and yes, it is done. And now we're going to solve another color. So this has 2 to solve. We're solving this color. Put it on the bottom and start to solve. Here is edge that has green, and we start making it. And then here is edge that has red, and after that piraminx will be solved. But there will be some another cases. In this case we can solve any color, for example red or green or blue. We solve it at the same order and it will be solved. And there will be another case when the 2 sides will be on left, 2 edges that we need to solve. We do the same thing, just solve the edges and piraminx will be done. So now I'm gonna start to teach you how to solve it more faster method. I'll start scrambling. And after that we start to make center again, corners. We also make the edges. And then we have to make some algorithm, but this is the case when it's solved. So in this case where we have both 2 edges, and for example you need to choose one color, I choose red now, and these 2 edges that are red are at the right side, so we do the algorithm R Q prime R prime Q prime R Q prime and R prime, and it is solved. So there is another case when it is on left side, and at that time you do R U, you turn the upside to left, R prime U R U and R prime. There are 3 other cases. The case when one edge is solved and these 2 edges need to swap, you do R prime L R L prime U L prime U prime and L. Now some algorithms are more difficult, and for example where 3 edges need to solve, we need to search for the edge that is most wrong. This has one color and this has also one color, and this is both wrong. We put it to back and we do the algorithm. This is called right eye because the eye is looking us from the right side. So R prime, L, R, L prime, U prime, L prime, U, R prime. There is another case when the left eye is looking to us. Again, look for the worst edge. This is here, put it on the back, and we do the other algorithm. But this time we begin from the left side. L, R prime, L prime, R, U, R, U prime, R prime. And these are all the 5 algorithms you need to learn to solve the piraminx, but there are some other methods. But when you practice, you will be able to solve with this under 8 seconds, and it is actually very cool. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.